So in this video we're going to discuss email basics within PerfectMIND. Now right now we're looking at our contacts here, so we want to shift over and we want to go to emails. We click there and this brings up the email function within PerfectMIND. So we'll start with a simple email example. If we just wanted to send an email out to one of our students, we could simply just type in their name, it would find them, we click them. From there we could put in the subject line, put in the content of our email, and simply click send. Now we can take it a step further. Say we wanted to send out an email blast to a select group of people. Say for instance we wanted to send an email out to all of our active students. Anytime we want to access a list of people, we would simply click the plus sign here. We click the plus sign and we already have some lists that are already pre-made for you within the system. We have several of them in here. Now if we wanted to send an email blast out to all of our active students, we have the active students list already pre-made and we could simply select it. Now you do have the option to create a new list as well. So you can click here, create a new list, simply give your list a name, and then set the criteria for your list. Now what I recommend doing is, if you want to learn how to create a list, I would watch the video on creating views. It's the exact same thing. From there you can set the criteria for your list, give your list a name, simply click save, and select your list to send the email blast out to. In this case we're going to choose the pre-made active students list. So we can just simply select it. And now when we send this email out, all of our active students will receive it. From here we could type in our subject, and from here we could type out the content of our email. Now when you're sending out an email blast, I always recommend personalizing it. So in this case we can actually go to our little merge function here, this little pen on the right, and when we click it, it gives us access to all of the information on the contact page. So from here we could simply select, say for instance, first name. Now if we select that, it's going to merge in the student's first name. So now it'll say hello Alex, hello Jimmy, hello Jennifer, and so on. And we would simply just type out the content of our email. From there we could simply click send. Now a little tip here, when you're sending out email blasts or sending out email, say for instance emails just to a specific student, you always have the option to click social sharing here. If you click social sharing and you send the email, the student would be able to actually share the email through social media outlets to their friends and so on. You gain more exposure for your school. Now we also have this area along here in the email function. So say for instance if you wanted to attach documents, we have an image map editor. Should you want to upload an image to the email, you can change fonts, sizes, bold font, and so on. Everything is built directly in here.